It's a smart multifunctional control panel and it is powered by Tuya. This device is normally connected to the electrical system of the house and mounted on the wall, but this is just for display and testing purposes. So you have it connected and you run all the setup, which is just prompted to you, and you follow as it is. It's quite easy. There's not much you need to do. Wait for it to do all these things. You connect it and then you connect it to the Wi-Fi and continue just as prompted. This device is used to control smart devices powered by Toya, so you can use it to control several devices that are Toya powered. So for me, I have my blinds connected already, which I use Google Assistant to control, but I can also use this panel to control this device. So it's just an extra method of connection. So I can use the Google Assistant or I can use the panel to control my devices that are Toya powered. Okay, Google, open curtains. And while that happens, if I choose to close it, I can use the control panel. And that is how it works.